Hi, I'm Josanne Wright Callender, the author of the Happy Little Garbage Truck Picture Book and Educational System. We've been looking at quite a few topics under the heading of encouragement, which is one of the best tools to motivate children to do more because children basically are not aware of what they can do. And it's sort of a human trait. We don't know what our potential is, but encouragement helps us move towards higher goals. And what I found out was inspiration is a huge part of this type of encouragement. And as we encourage children using some of the elements that I'll talk about in a second, it actually moves them towards their goals and builds their inner resources. So, inspiration, which is the fourth component that was listed in an article by Y. Joel Wong entitled The Psychology of Encouragement. And I thought, what a perfect article to build this whole series on. It discussed five elements that need to be involved in encouragement for encouragement to be powerful. One is courage. It should instill perseverance, which is the second quality. It should improve the confidence of the child, which is number three. Number four is inspiration, inspiring a child to do more than they believe they can. And the fifth element is hope. So we found that inspiration is defined as the process of being mentally stimulated to do or feel something, especially something creative. But I found another article called The Scientific Study of Inspiration in the Creative Process Challenges and Opportunities, which I'll include in the link below. But that article brought out three core characteristics that are involved in inspiration, which was a surprise to me. I didn't realize how detailed this was going to become as a topic, but it was truly amazing because it appears that with inspiration, there's evocation, transcendence, and the approach motivation. And they termed those three things as the tripartite conceptualization of inspiration. So as I looked at it and sort of reviewed this article, evocation was named because it seems that inspiration actually appears to come out of the blue instead of being caused by something that a person directed to happen, or say, like, I'm going to take this canvas and make it into the gorgeous painting that I know I can. You know, that's not inspiration. Inspiration just strikes you. You see something, it stimulates an idea, but we'll get to the parts of the tripartite conceptualization. But it comes out of the blue instead of being caused by something that the person directed to happen. And so this article stated that a stimulus is needed. Either a person, a work of art, or an idea seems to create and is sustained during this episode of inspiration. The second part is transcendence. So it's when a person becomes aware of this thing that just kind of came out of the blue, and it causes their thoughts to rise above the mundane or what they normally would have considered. And the article referred to this as idea that this thing that rises above the mundane as something that's really concrete and vivid. And third, once the inspiration is received, and this came out of the blue, it's concrete and vivid, the person has a strong, compelling urge to transmit, express, or actualize the idea. And that's called approach motivation. So my impression of all this was wow. And, when we're inspired, we realize that these three aspects do exist. And sometimes they come really quickly. And to be able to dissect it into three parts, I thought was pretty brilliant. So next time, we're going to dig a little deeper into this article to find out ways that we personally can be inspired and then find out concrete ways that we can inspire our children through our encouragement. So until then, thank you for attending and listening, and please share and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.